Hello everyone. Today I am going to be making some Ebelskivers. My daughter wanted me to make this video, but we're trying something a little bit different today. We're going to do some cream cheese raspberry Ebelskivers. I think that's what it's called. And what you do is you get your little Ebelskiver pan here. I found this at a thrift store for a couple of bucks. Okay, so we have our pancake mix here. Put the butter in there. I got it going. I need to turn it down a little bit. I'm gonna pour this in there. And now I'm going to venture to try to get this cream cheese in here somehow. Okay, the cream cheese and the raspberry jam. We don't have a clue how this is going to turn out, but we thought it sounded delicious, so I'm going to try it out. Alright, now the raspberry jam. I'm gonna hurry because this will cook really fast on the bottom. You have to kind of use like a stick or like a chopstick or something like this. Makes it easier. You turn it halfway. Let that cook a little bit. Let that cook for a little bit. And then you keep flipping it over and turning it, and that is how you do that. And keep flipping it like that, like so. Let me turn that heat down some more. It's going to get overcooked, which we do not want, and that would not taste good. Sides. Make sure it's really cooked on every side. Very excited about it. It's not really in my diet plan, but I'm gonna have a few. Okay, so these are pretty much getting done here. Do it for about 4 minutes or so. Not very long, it cooks fast. Alright, so let me get those off of here before they get burnt. extra. Get powdered sugar. So then you get some powdered sugar, as if it needs more sugar. There. Get some more. Those look like they get a little toasty there. More. And then that's that. Some maple syrup. Pour a little bit on there. Not too much. It's already got enough sugar. Here are some cheesecake raspberry Ebelskivers. I really don't know how to pronounce that, but it's a Danish breakfast. You can cook all kinds of different things on that pan, but yeah, that's that.